That ACT file is an Adobe Photoshop color table, a curated palette of indexed colors used to optimize images for web, gaming, and specific output requirements. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load, create, or apply these color palette files. My experience tells me that some ACT files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. ACT files are color table files for Adobe Photoshop, storing indexed color palettes with up to 256 RGB color definitions. They are used to apply consistent color palettes to images for GIF optimization, web graphics, indexed color mode conversion, and retro-style pixel art creation. Adobe Photoshop ACT files use a simple binary format, storing 256 RGB triplets as 768 bytes of raw color data. Each triplet contains 3 bytes for red, green, and blue channel values. An optional transparency index byte may follow the color table data. Your first application to test with ACT should be Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows may give a quick look, but proper work must be done in dedicated design applications. The solution is usually simple compatibility. Right-click your ACT file and choose Open With. If Adobe Photoshop is there, test it now. If not, choose another application. Keep going until the ACT file opens. When your ACT file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Failure to open this ACT file usually comes down to 3 basic scenarios. Let's go through this quick list and check each one off. First, loading the color table. Open Adobe Photoshop and navigate to Image, then Mode, then Color Table. Click Load and browse to the ACT file to apply the index color palette to your current image. The image will be remapped to use only the colors defined in the loaded color table. Next, creating color tables. Convert an image to index color mode via Image, then Mode, then Index Color in Photoshop. Customize the color palette, then use Image, then Mode, then Color Table, then save to export the palette as an ACT file for reuse across other images and projects. Finally, using for web optimization. Apply ACT color tables when saving images for web using File, then Export, then save for web legacy. Load the ACT palette in the color table panel to ensure consistent color usage across web graphics, maintaining brand color consistency throughout your website. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.